paddy works on the railway. In 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway. Now the rain is coming down again, laying clouds on my eyes, looking out along the empty street where old lovers hide. Can you hear me, love? Can't you see my heart is breaking? I need you here, my love. 1,000 years that I've been waiting to hold you again. Thinking ways to make it back to you, tumbling through my days. If you should see me in my new disguise, would you know my name? Every dream we had, every step we took together, all in my memory. We can live again whenever we have the time. Now walk with me down by the river, on bluebell fields, and in the quiet of the morning, all alone we'll steal away. Rivers running down my window pane, but my heart is still. People shelter in the subway halls, dark December chill. I never wanted this, I never asked to live forever. One stolen lover's kiss, you're a queen and I'm a beggar. We live in different lives, and our lives are all but taken. And once upon a time is worth the promise that we're making. Down all my days, down all my days, down all my days. If I could only catch your eye, I could maybe make you smile. You could see just how I feel. We could start this thing for real. Might not have the perfect words, might not be all that you heard, but if we give this a try, we could make this rocket fly. I know we've both been here before, but that makes me want this more. And if inside you feel the same, we could fall in love again. And I swear to you this time, I will it in my eyes. No more running, no more lies. No more lies. It's funny how some people look for love, try to find a master key. You had a hard time, but that's in the past. Fear will keep you chained, but love will set you free. Set you free. Let's roll the dice, I want